The sixth Hermetic principle is called cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. Everything happens according to law. Chance is a name for law unrecognized. There are many planes of causation. Nothing escapes the law. Cause designates the originating force producing an effect, the upstream event, condition, or organizing principle generating the downstream expression. Every cause operates at a specific level of the architecture, physical causes operating at the physical level, organizing principles operating at the subtle level, source intelligence operating at the level of the all. Effect designates the downstream expression produced by a cause. Every observable event, circumstance, or condition in manifest reality is an effect of causes operating at one or more levels of the architecture. The effect is real at its own level while being downstream from the cause generating it. Law designates the consistent, reliable, structural operation of the causal relationship across all levels of reality simultaneously. The law operates without exception. Every effect has a cause. Every cause produces an effect. The consistency of the law across every scale and every level is what makes reality navigable rather than arbitrary. Chance designates the appearance of causation without visible cause. The Hermetic tradition identifies chance as the gross level experience of causes operating at levels of subtlety beyond ordinary perception. The cause is real and operating. The gross level perception, unable to trace the causal chain to its origin at the subtle level, registers the effect as random. Chance is law operating at a level the observer has yet to develop the capacity to read. The principle carries one foundational distinction the tradition consistently emphasizes. Causation operates at multiple levels simultaneously. Physical causation, the mechanical chain of one physical event producing another, is the corporeal level expression of causal laws operating at every level above it. The subtle level of organizing principle is the generative cause from which the mechanical chain is downstream. Working at the level of generative cause produces structural change. Working at the level of mechanical effect produces surface rearrangement. The mechanism underneath cause and effect builds from every principle preceding it. Mentalism established that the organizing intelligence is primary and generates every level of reality as its expression. Correspondence says that every level reflects every other level through identical structural laws. Vibration is the transmission mechanism through which the correspondence propagates across levels. Polarity creates the continuum architecture within which movement occurs. Rhythm is the temporal pattern through which movement unfolds. Cause and effect establishes the directional logic running through all of it. Reality operates as a hierarchy of causal levels. The all, as the originating cause, generates the level of pure organizing principle. That level generates the level of individual consciousness. Individual consciousness generates the level of belief and orientation. Belief and orientation generate material manifestation. Each level is both the effect of the level above it and the cause of the level below it simultaneously. This hierarchy produces two fundamentally different positions from which causation can be experienced. The first position is inside the mechanical chain of effects. Each effect arrives at the next cause, generating the following effect, the chain extending backward and forward without visible access to what is generating the chain at the subtle level. From inside the mechanical chain, causation appears horizontal. This produces that. That will produce the next thing, the sequence running along the surface of manifest reality. The second position is at the level of generative cause, the organizing principle upstream from the mechanical chain. Working at this level addresses what is generating the chain rather than responding to each link as it arrives. From the level of generative cause, causation appears vertical. The subtle level above generates the gross level below, the above shifting, producing the below reorganizing. The Hermetic practice, the tradition describes as rising above the plane of causation, is the movement from the first position to the second, from inside the mechanical chain to the level of generative cause operating above it. The mechanical chain continues running at the gross level. The organizing principle at the subtle level generates different conditions from which the mechanical chain runs differently. This is the practical consequence of every preceding principle arriving at its operational completion. Mentalism is organizing intelligence is primary. Cause and effect works at the level of that organizing intelligence is working at the level of primary causation. Every effect in the manifest world is downstream from that level. Address the primary cause, the downstream effects reorganize. The law operates without exception at every level simultaneously. The same causal structure governing the motion of galaxies governs the development of individual lives. The same law operating at the cosmic level operates at the personal level because both are expressions of the same organizing intelligence running by identical structural laws throughout. The experience cause and effect is describing runs underneath every human life as its structural foundation, visible most clearly in the moments when the gap between working at the level of effect and working at the level of cause becomes impossible to ignore. The circumstance that keeps returning, the pattern that reasserts itself regardless of how energetically the surface is rearranged, the relationship dynamic that produces itself across different relationships, the financial condition that returns to the same configuration after each apparent change, the health pattern that resurfaces after each temporary shift. Any person who has experienced a pattern reasserting itself after apparent change has encountered the gap between mechanical and generative causation directly. The surface rearranged, the organizing principle generating the surface remained unchanged. The effect returned because the cause continued operating. The frustration of that experience is the gross level registering that something upstream from the surface is generating what the surface keeps expressing. The frustration is accurate information. The mechanical chain is being addressed at its own level. The generative cause is continuing to produce the same effects because the generative cause has been approached through its effects rather than directly. Every person who has shifted something at the level of organizing principle, at the level of belief, orientation, or fundamental understanding, and watched the surface of their life reorganize in ways that exceeded what any direct action at the surface level could have produced, has encountered generative causation directly. The above shifted, the below followed. The mechanical chain reorganized because what was generating it reorganized. The principle means chance is law operating at a level not yet readable. The apparently random distribution of opportunity and difficulty across a life is the gross level experience of causal chains operating at levels of subtlety the ordinary perception has yet to develop the capacity to trace. The law is operating. Randomness is a reading problem rather than a structural feature of reality. Each tradition of genuine inner development is built on this recognition, working at the level of organizing principle rather than responding to the mechanical chain of effects, addressing the cause rather than managing the effect, shifting the above rather than rearranging the below. The law operates throughout. Every cause produces its effect, every effect revealing its cause to the attention directed at the right level. Nothing in a human life is happening outside the law. Every pattern has a generating cause. Every cause is accessible to the attention willing to move upstream from the effect towards the level of principle producing it. The law is the structure through which genuine change becomes available. The same law that generates the unwanted patterns generates the conditions for its transformation when the level of generative cause is addressed rather than the level of mechanical effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect reveals its cause. The law holds at every level simultaneously, including the level reading these words right now.